How you doing? This is a video tutorial on how to make your YouTube videos viewable on your mobile device. I have a YouTube video here that is not allowing me to be played on mobile devices like iPads or cell phones, and this has happened to me a few times, and I think that it's pretty stupid that this keeps occurring. What I'm going to do is find the video that's giving me an issue, this one here. So what you want to do is you click on the video blocked in some countries link. It's going to say your video is blocked in some countries. You may include music that is owned by a third party. So basically you want to acknowledge this. You can dispute. My use of the content meets legal requirements for fair use, dealing with unacceptable copyright laws. And then it's going to ask you, I am sure that my video meets legal requirements for fair use. I want to dispute this claim. You click on that, and now you want to have a reason for dispute, and basically you can put, this video uses copyrighted material in a manner that does not require approval for a copyright holder. It is fair use under copyright law. Copy and paste that, or type that out yourself and put that in to the description. And you want to click on here, and you also want to type in your full name at the bottom as a signature, electronic signature, and you push continue. Now this is an overview page to see exactly what you just did, and you can see that we're claiming to dispute this song by The Wanted. The reason for dispute is it's under copyright law and it's legal, and then your signature, and you submit your dispute, and there, your claim dispute has been submitted. So now we can go back to our video manager, and if we look at the Dirty Martini video that I just was trying to get going, under advanced settings it says syndication. Now it says everywhere. Before that would have said no mobile devices or something amongst that line, but now it says I can show this video everywhere, and it shows you that it worked. For the meantime, although there have been issues where this doesn't work, there's been issues where it'll work at first, but then a couple weeks later they still take the video down. So we'll see what happens, and that is all for today. So hope you guys like this video. If it was enjoyable for you, or if it helped and it was knowledgeable, subscribe. I have more tutorials coming all the time. Thank you.